Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about what should be in your dance bag for a dance audition. All right, first off, consider the show you're auditioning for because that's going to dictate what kind of choreography, so you kind of know what shoes to pack. But first off, I always pack a dance booty to keep my feet warm before auditions while I'm warming up. And if there's a break, I always like to keep my feet warm, my muscles and my joints. So, you know, that's really important. These are by Blocks. I've said these in other videos. I'm not sponsored by Blocks. I just happen to like these. Always pack ballet shoes because they might want to see some ballet technique depending on whatever show. So ballet shoes are always good to pack. And if it's a classic musical like Oklahoma Carousel Brigadoon that has point work in it, girls, you might want to take your point shoes with a little bit of rosin that you can crush up, and so keep those two things on hand. A good pair of character shoes. It's musical theater. This is what we're going to wear, so always keep a good pair of character heels on hand. I know they make character shoes for men, so you know, and if all you have is jazz shoes, that's fine, but I'm just saying, this is the shoe. But girls, you might want to have jazz shoes handy too. I like these. These are by Blocks. Again, not sponsored, but I just happen to like these. They're really flexible. They're good for all kind of things. Go up on your toes. They're a good hard sole. So if they stick in a little piece of tap, you can hear the sounds. I just happen to like these. They're also good for like more contemporary, like hip hop kind of stuff, but this is a shoe I like. For tap musicals. Now, girls, if all you have are tap flats, that's fine. If it's a show like Mary Poppins or Newsies and you think you're going to be cast as a guy, you're going to want tap flats anyway, so that's fine. But if it is a true blue tap musical, like a 42nd Street, Crazy for You, Singing in the Rain, one of those, you're going to want a tap heel. If you don't have any, invest in these because they're going to want to see that you can dance in heels because that's what you're going to wear in the show. So, you know, all of those kind of splashy showgirl kind of musicals, you're going to dance in tap heels. So I would invest in some tap heels and get used to dancing in tap heels. Totally different feels. Tap flats, tap heels. I would always take some kind of little throw, like just if it's cold in the studio. I don't like big sloppy sweatshirts, but just some nice little wrap. I like just a thin ballet wrap. It makes me look put together and it's neat and it still shows my lines until I can take it off when I'm warmed up. Always take some kind of little accessory bag. You can touch up your makeup. You can keep hair ties, bobby pins, band-aids. I mean, whatever you think you might need in there, but little handy bag. For a snack, you can do fruit, you know, nuts, granola bar, whatever. I find that protein will keep your stamina longer because sugar you just burn through, you know, but protein will keep your stamina going through longer that day. I like these Lenny and Larry protein cookies or anything with higher protein count. So watch your protein that day. I am not sponsored by Lenny and Larry, so I have nothing. You know, eat them, don't eat them. It makes no difference to me. I'm just saying protein will go a lot farther than sugar and carbs. Water. Drink lots of water that day. Not so much that it's going to be sloshing around, so you might want like a sports drink with electrolytes. But hydrate. And, side note. Take some knee pads. That might sound crazy, but you never know if they're going to ask you to do like knee slides, knee drags, knee spins. I've choreographed Fiddler 3 times, and I have asked guys to do the bottle dance, and that has like big dramatic knee drags. And after we do it over and over, the guys with knee pads have been like, I'm glad I have them. So there you go. Things to think about when packing your dance bag for an dance audition. All right, hope that was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you in the next.